How to delete YouTube channels. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete your YouTube channel. Now, deleting your YouTube channel means deleting all of your comments, all of your videos, your posts and all that. And once you delete your account, you'll not be able to recover it. Now, if you really want to delete your account, then you should get with these steps. So first of all, you need to open up your web browser or maybe log into youtubestudio.com. After that, on the web address bar, type in studio.com and this is going to take you to the YouTube channel or your YouTube account. So this is going to direct you to the page where you've actually made an upload and posted all your contents. Now, there are two different methods of deleting your account. You can either hide your channel if you don't want to delete it, and apart from that, if you want to really delete your account, you can also do that. Once you're on this page, in the left hand side bar, go to settings. As soon as you click on settings, a pop-up menu appears right in front. Go to channel in the left hand side once again, and on this page go to advanced settings. Now once you're on this advanced settings, scroll down right at the bottom. Right at the bottom there is a section as other settings, and under it there are two different options. You'll need to click on remove YouTube content. Now this is going to ask you to enter in the Google password. As soon as you're done entering your information, you'll be able to see two different options, either to hide your channel or to permanently delete your account. If you want to permanently delete your account, then click on this arrow icon right in the corner, mark on this or go through all of these statements, click on delete my content. As soon as you do that, there will be a confirmation stating that once you delete your account, there's no way to recover it or to come back. So if you're sure about it, then click on the delete button. You'll also be receiving a statement through an email about the account deletion. So in this way you can delete your account. However, if you don't want to delete your account but if you want to hide it or maybe keep it secret for certain days, then click on this arrow icon and go through all of these information and then mark on this terms and conditions, click on hide my channel. In this way you can hide your channel as well as delete your YouTube account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.